Hi. If you are facing this issue in Adobe Illustrator, then this video is going to help you the best. When I run Adobe Illustrator in my PC, within 30 seconds, I find this to be happened. Then my Illustrator crashes with my project. Annoying. So let's fix it. Go to Start, type Firewall, go to Windows Defender Firewall, then Advanced. Outbound rules. New rule. Program is okay. Next. Browse. Go to C drive. Program files. Adobe. Adobe Illustrator. Check your version. Mine is 2022. Choose the exe file. Next. Block the connection should be ticked. Next. Name it. Like Illustrator Fix. Finally finish. Now closing everything and coming back to Illustrator. Here you can see the time. I am fast forwarding the time to let you check if the error appears or not. So, this is the way you can simply fix this Adobe Illustrator issue with no complication. Please try this and also let us know what happened to yours. Subscribe and inspire us. Goodbye.